Open all the way along the horizon. Pull. Push. Pour chi down. Pouring universal chi down the inner space. Clearing through new information all the way down to the dantian. Fingers to yin tang as we lift our knees. Open yin tang, hands to the sides, tom bi. Massaging the inner space of the chest. Heart open and clear. Reach out to the sides, lowering down. Pulling chi up through the earth to Hersha hands. Bend the knees. Pelvis to neutral. Open arms, open chest. Smile to the sky. Merge with the universe. Drop all boundary of body. Merge. Every exhale, relax deeper and deeper. Drawing arms up above the head, straighten the legs. Leaning forward, tailbone back. Relax the shoulders. Holding chi. Chi holding me. For boundary between internal and external, let go. Kai, He. Drawing the palms down into the center of the head. Kai, He, He. Drawing the chi palms into the throat center. Kai. And we draw down, fingers down through the central channel. Pouring through each gate. Mind's consciousness follows the movement. Mind going through the center of the body. Locate the third eye mentally. And then we use the breath and the sound to move in and out through yin tang, opening, nourishing with chi. In the center of the head, illuminate the whole body and expand out into the universe. Use the vocal on the exhale. And then eventually we'll get quieter and quieter. From the center of the dantian. Send the all over the face. Chi massage to the head and neck and shoulders. Howla. Sharing this good information outwardly with all.
Oh, amazing.